Kocom model KVR-A510 installation. First, you start by opening the box. In the box, you will find the cables and connectors for the installation. Behind the monitor, you can check the connectors, in which you will find connectors for cameras, network, and all peripherals. You will find connectors for camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4, PTZ control, video out, audio handset, alarm sensor, door lock 1, extra monitor, door lock 2, and network. This monitor can be connected desk mounted on the desk mount bracket or wall mounted on the wall mount bracket. You can connect it as required. Installation of the camera inputs. First, you start by connecting the BNC connector to the connector provided, the BNC of the camera. You can connect the audio also if you want with the phono plug, if desired, and you connect the socket of camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4, depends of how many cameras you have. In this case, we are showing you how to connect camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, and camera 4. At the back of the monitor you have the diagram to consult. These are the cameras 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have the diagram shown where you have to put the connectors of the cameras. 1 on 1, 2 on 2, 3 on 3, 4 on 4. If you are going to use a doorbell camera, connect the doorbell camera to camera number 1, as shown in the diagram. All the other CCTV cameras should be connected on camera 2, camera 3, and camera 4. First, you have to pass the cables for the power, depending if you are going to put the desk mount or the wall mount. If you are going to use a doorbell camera, you should connect the wires of the doorbell camera as shown in previous videos of doorbell cameras, with the colors blue, yellow, red, white connected to socket of camera 1 as shown. You can see a type of camera to connect on the monitor. Cameras 2, 3, and 4, you have supplied the cable with the BNC and phonos, and you have to connect them in the sockets 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can use any type of CCTV camera with this system. If you have an extra monitor to install, you have the 9-pin connector supplied and you connect it to the socket of extra monitor. You can use different types of Kocom monitors with this system, like the one as shown. If you have to connect an audio handset, you have a 6-pin connector which you will use to connect the audio handset on the socket shown. The audio handset you can use is the KDP-602G model. You can connect the lock on the socket shown, the PTZ control if you have a control, and the network cable to connect to the internet or network as needed in the socket shown. When you are finished with the connections, you take the monitor and you put the connections all behind the desk mount bracket or wall mount bracket depending on your installation. Pull the cables all behind and mount the monitor to the bracket, and the installation of the KVR-A510 is ready.